this channel. No!
What is up, YouTube? It's Bri Hall here, and I'm back with another video. Today, I have an Ulta haul for you. I went into Ulta and I asked you guys what you wanted me to get or some ideas of things to get, and that produced this. You might be wondering why it's not your typical orange Ulta bag. I got this in October. Breast Cancer Awareness Month was October, and Ulta is still running the promotion where you can donate to breast cancer awareness. So since I donated, I got the special breast cancer awareness bag. There are a few survivors in my family, so always really important to me around this time of year and just year round in general. And I have some family survivors that are non-breast cancer, so just shout out to cancer survivors or anyone battling any type of illness. I know how hard that can be for even your family and you, so just keep fighting, and I appreciate y'all. I appreciate your strength. If you haven't noticed, I got a green screen, because back when I used to do green screen videos in college, I used green paper. So now we've got an actual green screen, and I'm excited about that. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing I got, again, I put cling wrap around it because it was leaking a little bit. It is this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Marula Oil Intensive Hydration Hand and Body Scrub. I love this as the deep conditioner, but people sleep on the body scrub. It's a sugar scrub and it smells like honey. I could smell it through this plastic wrap, y'all, but it's very oily, so I didn't want it to leak in the bag, so I just made sure to wrap it up. But this about to next. So y'all might be wondering how this purchase became $500.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
That's because I did make a really big purchase in this. So when I moved from my old apartment, my old Clarisonic got somehow lost in the mix. Things get lost, so I had to repurchase my Clarisonic. I highly stand by face brushes. Like, they are
Truly life-changing.
So I decided to upgrade a little bit since I'm getting a newer one, and I got the Mia Smart, a 3-in-1 connected sonic beauty device. Works with all Clarisonic attachments, cleansing, firming, and makeup blending, so it can also double as a makeup brush. And it is Bluetooth connected, so you can connect your brush to your phone to track your skincare progress. On the back, they have like this fluorescent lighting thing where they basically show how makeup looked when it was blended with a normal brush versus with the Clarisonic, where you see it looks like a smoother application. And I do feel like my skin gets a lot of a deeper clean, so I got this again because I could tell the difference in my skin without it. Another big purchase, because the attachments to the Clarisonic are so expensive. They're like $39, $40. But I had to get it because I tried it in the store. It's the firming massage head. But this is the Clarisonic firming massage head, and this one kind of mimics like the your fingertips, and you're like, why would you buy fingertips?
But you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We were bougie, okay? We were really out here shopping. And also, since I wear nails a lot, I can't, like, my fingertips, they get in there, but they don't really get in there, you know what I mean? And this just felt really good on the skin. Like, I sampled it in the store and it just felt really nice. No one talked me into it. I talked myself into it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got like these 3 little massagers here. So if you just want to get a little facial massage while you're putting serum on and all that stuff, it just gives you a more intensive facial massage. So just for the sake of being bougie and the fact that it's fall, so skincare is really important, I had to get it. Let me move this along, y'all. Don't want this video to be 40 minutes. Oh, another thing, I'm finally gonna try this because I've heard such good things about this conditioner, and this is the Joico K-Pack Intense Hydrator. As I told you, I love my Shea Moisture deep conditioners. I swear by them, but I wanted to try a high-end product because I just was looking into what y'all suggested, and I was open to hair and skincare and all that. So, oh, look at that highlight. Fun fact, I'm not wearing foundation. Also, I am wearing a tinted moisturizer, and if you guys want a tutorial on how I get this really glowy makeup, I got you. All right, I was being a hype beast, but a lot of y'all wanted me to try this, so I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now, one of my favorite all-time setting mists is so under discussed. It's actually in my suitcase right now because I just got back from LA, but it is the Glam Glow Micro Mist, the one in the pink bottle that smells like grapefruits. One of the best setting sprays. So I was hoping that this would stand up to that because this is a lot cheaper. So I was like, all right, but let's see. I'm gonna test it now. Why not? All right, I'm gonna shake it up. Do it. Ooh, okay. That's exactly how the Glam Glow one sprays because I was looking for a fine mister. I hate sprays that have like big drops because it messes my makeup up if I don't spray it perfectly with an even mist. So yeah, nobody likes that. All right, Morphe, and it's black. If you guys can't tell, I love black, so let me see. Oh yeah, that felt nice. It actually smells really fresh too. It's not an overwhelming fragrance. I like that. So while we're on the topic of Morphe, I really like their brushes. I don't have a coupon code. I wish I had a coupon code. Morphe, if you're watching this. So I got the Morphe M444. It's this big, super huge blending slash foundation buffing brush. And I was like, bro, it just looks like it's gonna make my foundation apply beautifully, so I had to get it. M530 brush, and this one just looked fun. Take this out. Wait, where's the little thingy? The little flap. Oh, this one doesn't have the little fold over flap. All right, so it looks like, let's shake it out so it forms a little bit. It looks like this. I thought this would be a really good blush and or contour brush. I don't know, I've been getting way more into brushes now after I've seen just how big of a difference like diverse brushes can make. You know, you can still get a great makeup look without buying fancy brushes or anything. It makes your job easier, and that's what I firmly believe. I always say in all my videos, if you are in the learning stages, get the inexpensive things so you can learn and break stuff and practice and all that. But once you start getting good at something, girl, treat yourself. Get you some high quality. Okay, let's shake this one out. This brush, wait, let me see. Y'all see this brush? This is the Morphe M500, and this,
Oh my gosh.
all right, and these, I'm not gonna take out the packaging just yet, but I got the M504 brush. I'd assume you'd use this brush in your crease, but yeah, I got this one, and then I got the M330 brush, and again, it's another little eyeshadow brush. These were actually sent to me, but I just threw them in the bag to show you guys anyway. Makeup Revolution sent me this mascara, which the wand looks wonderful. Let me. Oh yeah, these are my real lashes, y'all. My lashes, I've been trying to grow them out a little bit. So some days I don't even wear falsies, which is beautiful. Even though I love falsies. Okay. Hey now. The lashes on this eye are almost longer, but I'm working on this eye, getting it to catch up. And then I also got a liner from them. Thank you, Makeup Revolution, for sending these to me. I love the brand just because you're giving like almost big brand quality for these major high-end brands, but like dupes of everything, and I've been wanting to try their foundation. Back in the day, I actually bought this. They sent me sample sizes of these foundations a couple months ago when they were in the midst of launching, and I really liked them, but I thought they needed a few more undertones, so I'm gonna try this. This is an F12, but I think I need to go like a shade darker, because in the store it looked like my shade. Actually no, I might be good at looking like a real beauty guru, y'all. Okay, that actually might work. Yeah, see, it looks a little light, but I might just go one shade darker. Oh, that buffs nicely. I don't like going my exact complexion. I prefer going like a little bit darker than my complexion, but it's nice. I'm probably gonna take this color back and get the shade right after it. But yeah, that was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F12. Just to have some generic lashes, I got my Ardell Wispies, and this is the original feathered lash with the invisible band, and these are just good for everyday use. This one was on sale, and it was 5 pairs for like, I think like $9 or something, so I got it. Everybody's been telling me to try the Makeup Revolution concealer forever. Now I actually got it in my perfect under eye shade, so I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know what I think. Oh, okay, I got some lip products too. So I finally got some ColourPop gloss, and I got the shade Pew, P-H-E-W, and it's this really pretty golden gloss. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all just so you can see how pretty and golden it is. All right, and look at how that is in the light. I've been wearing glosses every day, so it was just nice to be able to try that. One of my followers told me to try the Ulta lip gloss, but they were sold out of so many of them. But then I slid over and I saw something that looked even more my style. And it was the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. Okay, secret fun fact, let me wipe this off too. I've been loving lip oils like in place of just regular gloss. Doing a balm and then a lip oil on top. All right, let's do it on this lip so I can show y'all what a lip oil do. I got in the smell cranberry pomegranate, like girl. But this one is like, it's still clear, which I like. Y'all see what lip oil does? Like, it tends to be more high shine than like your everyday lip gloss. That's why I love it. It's just got a juice infusion, so it's not over the top. Oh yeah, I also got the lip plumping high shine top coat from Ulta Beauty, just a clear lip gloss, and got this Go Smile on the Go teeth whitening pen, and it is the new product winner for the Beauty Choice Award at Ulta, so thought that was really cool. Wanted to give it a try, because why not, you know, whiten my teeth at night when I'm just sitting idle, you know, doing work, editing that. Oh yeah, and last but not least, I got these ColourPop highlighters. They had a little duo set in Ulta, so I got them in the shade Lunch Money and Might Be. Ooh, that is Lunch Money. And then we've got, let me try not to break it. Okay, and then use a different finger. We've got Might Be. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a champagne color. Oh, girl, I might be wearing this tomorrow. Like, girl, I don't know. Might Be is so beautiful. I'm about to try that out. Let's try it now on my face. Let's do a little tappy. Yeah, so this is beautiful. This is gonna be more of like a bronzy highlight on me. Look at how it reflects light. Oh, y'all see that? I believe that concludes my haul video for y'all. Let me know again if there's any more products y'all want to see from me. Of course, the major purchases were definitely the Clarisonic brush and brush head. Like, these were two of the biggest ones as far as price for one item goes. And then the teeth whitener and my Joico deep conditioning pack. For the people that might be like, oh, you could have spent $500 anywhere else, or like you wasted money, etc. A lot of people don't know that for YouTubers, since our job is contracted as like, especially a makeup YouTuber, since it's my job to review makeup, review hair products, do all that stuff, show it to you guys, present it to you, oftentimes this stuff is a tax write-off for us. That's why when we tell you guys like, hey, send us more things you want us to purchase and review, went on these crazy shopping trips, oftentimes we do that because it's literally our job to show you guys new things, expose you to different things and stuff like that on our own coin. So like, yeah. And then on top of that, for those of you who know me, my passion is community service. I'm going on a humanitarian trip this February to Ethiopia, so literally there is balance in my life. And that, folks, is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So love you guys. I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. I think it's at 52% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. It only takes a few seconds to click that button. It is free for you, and click the bell because it sends you a notification. It's not gonna be spam. I don't post like every day. I post a few times a week to sometimes just once a week. So all it is on your phone, a little ding happens when I drop a video, so you're the first to know. All right, love you guys. Peace out and gang gang. See you in my next video.
Gang, gang.